guys, right here, this is the Singlet Smart Wi-Fi LED light strip. I love it because you don't need a hub. It uses Wi-Fi. It has 16 million colors to choose from, audio sync, and check this out. You can use app control, manual control, or voice control. This is pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and unbox this and try it out. Wi-Fi LED light strip. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox the Smart Wi-Fi light strip by Singlet. No hub required. Look at that. That is the light in there. Nicely packaged. You have the manual control right here. Here's the manual control. This one plugs into the power source. Here's your power source, and this thing just simply connects to the light strip like this. Here we go. Connect this so that we get power. It comes with a mounting clip with 3M adhesive back here. Alcohol wipes, so make sure you clean your surface. And that's it, guys. Let's go ahead and power this on and see how it looks. Ooh, nice. So go ahead and plug that into the wall. Oh, look at this. The lights are on already. They look nice. Here we go. So we have this manual button right here. Let me just go ahead and expand the lights here. Again, these are the Singlet Wi-Fi Smart LED light strip. Ooh, I like it because it's rubberized right here. So the light bulbs are protected with a nice rubber coating over here. You also have 3M adhesive back here as well. And look at the lights, they're beautiful. They're multicolor. You got 16 million colors to choose from, guys. Voice control, app control, or manual control with the remote as well. It is 16.4 feet, guys. 16.4 feet. This thing is long. All right, so we got 16.4 feet of light here. And we got, oh, look at this. Look. So there's a little microphone right here so you can sync to music or audio. It's pretty awesome. Again, this is the manual control right here. So let me click on it. With the manual control, this button right here can turn it on or off. If you turn it on and you push and hold the button, check this out right here. You can change the color. And as you hold the button, it'll cycle through the different colors and you just stop at the color you want. For example, this blue right here, beautiful blue. And it will remember your color. So right now, this is my color setting. I will turn it off and I'll turn it back on. And it still remembers my color. This is pretty awesome, guys. This is a Wi-Fi Singlet LED light strip. Let's go ahead and go through all the colors. So we'll turn on one last time right here and we'll just cycle through the different colors. Here we go. Continues to go. There's some purple. Beautiful. Orange. Just beautiful color, very vibrant colors right here. Singlet makes some of the most beautiful LED light strips there are in the market. I absolutely love these things. They look so good. And again, whenever you find the color you want, you let go of this manual button and you can turn it on and off with a single button. If you install the app, connect this to Wi-Fi, the app will give you so much more flexibility in terms of what you can do with these lights. This is just a quick demonstration of the Singlet Wi-Fi LED light strips. They look good. Yeah, check these lights out.